My name is Bhavesh Gandhi, and I was working with Godfrey Phillips. My experience during this workshop has been, there have been a couple of real eye-openers, both in terms of knowledge and in terms of application of this knowledge. So initially I was not able to comprehend where and how I'm going to use all these or some of these techniques that I've used, or some of these models and concepts that I've used. But yesterday evening and today morning, quite a few things have been cleared to me in terms of where exactly I can use these and how I can have a jump start in something that I'm planning to start in the US. So hopefully that should be the big thing. Another big revelation I already made to Sat yesterday was, after we did the Anchor of Wisdom thing, the first thing I did was go out and call up a friend of mine who kind of has been a mentor for me in terms of, to the extent of shielding me in times of trouble. But because we know each other for such a long time, expressions of gratitude among us has been not very high. So it was a stage where any action on my part or support given from his part was taken for granted. But when I closed my eyes and I was thinking of all people who have influenced me and given me wisdom, right? Even if I tried to think of teachers in school, college, etc., I could think of only one face. So actually I could not think of any school teachers or college teachers, only his face was coming in. So actually went out yesterday, called him up, and I said thank you. And for 30 seconds there was pin drop silence. Neither he didn't say anything nor I said anything. And he said, "Where are you?" So then I told him I'm in this workshop, and suddenly I had this spark. And although I'm going to meet him in Bangalore on Tuesday, I said, I don't know whether I'll be able to tell you face to face or you will be able to take me seriously. So I thought I'll call you up, waste no time. So I did make that call. So I think that's something that was very surprising to me also. And so I guess that's because of the experience that I've undergone. Right? Thank you very much.
Okay.